హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం భారత్కు జానో క్విజ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. 30 చాప్టర్ పేరు స్పోర్ట్స్. దాంట్లో టాపిక్ క్రికెట్. When where did Bharat play its first test match? February 10, 1932 at England. First Bharatiya player to score the 10,000 runs in test cricket. Sunil Gavaskar. Name the player who grabbed first wicket in test matches for Bharat. Mohammad Nisar, 1932 versus England. First Bharatiya player to have a 5-wicket haul in test matches of Bharat. Mohammad Nisar, 1932 versus England. First Bharatiya player to claim a hat-trick in test match. Harbhajan Singh. Name the player involved in world famous spin trio. Basant Singh Bedi, B.S. Chandrasekhar, Irapalli Prasanna. First Bharatiya player to have a place in Wisden cricketers. Alemnak. Ranjit Singh G. Name the highest run scorer in test matches. Sachin Tendulkar, 15,921 runs. Name the highest wicket taker in test matches for Bharat. Anil Kumble, 619 wickets. Which player holds the record of delivering maximum number of balls for Bharat? Anil Kumble, 40,850 deliveries. First women Bharatiya player to score a double century in test match. Mithali Raj. In which year Bharat won its first test series? 1952-53 versus Pakistan. In which year Bharat won its first test series abroad? 1969 versus New Zealand. Name the eldest Bharatiya player to score a century in test matches. Vijay Merchant, 40 years 25 days. Name the Bharatiya cricketer to lead the country in maximum number of test matches. MS Dhoni, 53 matches. Name the youngest ever captain of Bharatiya cricket team. Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi, 22 years 77 days. Name the Bharatiya test captain who faced defeat in most number of matches. Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi, 40 matches, 9 won, 19 lost. When did Bharat play its first tied test match? 1986 versus Australia. Name the Bharatiya cricketer who bowled maximum number of successive maiden overs in a test innings. R.G. Nadkarni bowled 21 success maiden overs versus England 1964. What is the lowest Bharatiya score in a test innings ever? 42 runs versus England, Lords 1974. What is the maximum Bharatiya score in a test innings so far? 726 for 9 wickets versus Sri Lanka, Mumbai 2009. Who is the highest fourth innings score of Bharat could not save her from defeat? 445 Adelaide 1977-78. What is the highest fourth innings score of Bharat which enabled her to draw the test match? 429 for 8 wickets versus England. What is the highest score of Bharat in a test match without a century? 9 wickets, 524 runs, 1976. In which test series Bharat scored maximum number of centuries? 1978-79 Indian West Indies 11 centuries. In which test match Bharat won by biggest margin? In 2018 West Indies edged Rajkot by an innings 272 runs. In which test match Bharat won by lowest margin? 2004-2005 versus Australia, Mumbai by 13 runs. Name the first Bharatiya player to score a century in a test match. Lala Amarnath, 118 runs versus England 1933-34. Who scored first 50 for Bharatiya in test matches? Amar Singh, 52 versus England, Lords 1932. Name the father-son pair who scored century in their debut test matches. Lala Amarnath, 1933-34. Surinder Amarnath, 1976. Who scored first double century for Bharat in a test match? Poli Umbrigar, 223 runs, Hyderabad versus New Zealand. Which Bharatiya player scored a slowest century in a test match innings? S.V. Manjrekar, 500 minutes, 442 balls. Which Bharatiya player scored slowest double century in a test match? Navjot Singh Sidhu, 201 runs, 674 minutes. Which Bharatiya player scored first triple century in a test match innings? Virender Sehwag, 309 runs. Name the player who scored triple century for Bharat in test matches. Virendra Sehwag, 309, 319, Karun Nair, 303. Which player has scored maximum number of double centuries for Bharat? Sachin Tendulkar, Virender Sehwag, 16 each, 6 each. Name the Bharatiya pair who holds the world record of highest opening partnership in a test match. Vinu Mankad, Pankaj Rai. Chennai vs New Zealand, 413 runs, 1955-56. Name the Bharatiya player who batted for the longest period is an innings. Rahul Dravid, 740 minutes. Name the Bharatiya player who holds the world record of taking most wickets than the total runs scored. B.S. Chandrasekhar, 242 wickets scored, 167 in 58 tests. Name the Bharatiya cricketer who was dismissed for a duck of maximum times. S. Chandrasekhar, 23 ducks in 80 innings in 58 matches. Name the Bharatiya cricketer who holds the world record of playing maximum test matches in a row since debut. Rahul Dravid, 91 matches. Name the Bharatiya cricketer who holds the world record of scoring the 3 century in his first 3 test matches. Mohammad Azharuddin. Which is the first Bharatiya player who captured a wicket of the very first ball in his debut match. Nilesh Kulkarni bowled Marwan Atapattu of Sri Lanka. Name the first Bharatiya player who took a wicket of the very first ball of a test match. Abhidali. Name the Bharatiya player who took most wickets in an over in a test match on his debut. Ravi Shastri, 3 wickets in 4 balls. Name the Bharatiya cricketer who took maximum wickets in a test match on his debut. Narendra Harvani, 16, 136. Name the only Bharat bowler who took all the 10 wickets in an innings. Anil Kumble, 10 wickets, 74 versus Pakistan, Delhi, 1999. Name the Bharatiya wicketkeeper who holds the world record of not to concede a single extra runs in the entire innings in a test match. N.S. Tamharne. Name the Bharatiya wicketkeeper who holds the world record of maximum stumping is an innings. Kiran Moore, 5 stumpings. Name the Bharatiya cricketer, not a wicketkeeper, who holds the world record of holding maximum catches in a test match. Ajinkya Rahane, 8 catches at Gale vs Sri Lanka 2015. When did Bharatiya play her first one-day international match? July 13, 1974 vs England at Leeds. When did Bharat win for the first time in one-day international match? June 11, 1975 vs East Africa Leeds. Name the Bharatiya player who scored 10,000 runs in ODI match for first of all. Sachin Tendulkar. Name the Bharatiya player who scored 20,000 plus runs in international matches first of all. Sachin Tendulkar. In which year Bharat won the ODI World Cup? 1983-2011. Name the first Bharatiya player to have a hat-trick in World Cup. Chetan Sharma. Name the Bharatiya player who scored fastest 10,000 runs in ODI matches. Virat Kohli, 205 innings. First Bharatiya bowler to claim 300 wickets in ODI match. Anil Kumble. First Bharatiya cricketer to score a century in ODI match. Kapil Dev, 175 runs, 1983. Name the Bharatiya who holds the world record of scoring maximum centuries in ODI matches. Sachin Tendulkar, 49 centuries. Name the Bharatiya player who scored between 90 to 100 for maximum number of times. Sachin Tendulkar, 17 times. For maximum number of times in ODI matches. Sachin Tendulkar, 17 times. Name the Bharatiya player who has the world record of scoring maximum runs in ODI matches. Sachin Tendulkar, 18,426 runs. ICC the only Indian captain in the world to win all the 3 trophies. MS Dhoni. ఇక్కడితో 30 చాప్టర్ స్పోర్ట్స్ టాపిక్ క్రికెట్ చదవడం పూర్తయింది. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.